The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. Summary and Notes. The Millionaire Fastlane Short Summary. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco is a book that will teach you how to build insane wealth. DeMarco shares the secret to becoming a millionaire at any age, and it is not the kind of advice you receive from financial gurus and parents or friends. Becoming a Fastlane millionaire has its own growth, a money tree. Reclaim your time. The Law of Affection, and an excellent book on how to create insane wealth and live a great life. What is Fastlane? The Fastlane is a state of wealth that is characterized by the abundance. In the Fastlane, you don't trade your time for money or in a complete control of all wealth generating factors. The Fastlane lifestyle is for the people who want to retire young and don't want to follow conventional get rich roadmap that involves the maxing the 401k, being frugal and retiring at 65. Being the Fastlane requires that you turn your back on what society says about wealth. Otherwise, you will never get rich. The Millionaire Fastlane is not about being retired old with the millions, but about redefining wealth to include youth, fun, freedom, and prosperity. To the get slow strategy that is the championed by society is a losing game. It is anchored on your time, assumes that everything will you according to plan, does not involve getting rich at the youngest age. If you want to get rich, take the Fastlane road. True wealth is by three fundamentals: family, relationships with people, fitness, health. Fitness includes health, passion, boundless energy. Next one, freedom. Freedom is choice. Freedom is the ability to pursue your dreams and do what you love. The road trip to wealth. Wealth is forged by the carefully crafted process. Wealth is not an event but a journey. The roadmap to the wealth is made up of four key ingredients. Number one, your roadmap. The roadmap is guiding force behind the decision you make. Number two, your vehicle. Your vehicle is you. No one can drive you to your financial destination. Number three, your roads. Roads are the financial pathways that lead to wealth. You can be an engineer, a plumber, a truck driver, etc. The roadmap is guides your action, and of those actions create your financial life. Number four, your speed. Speed refers to the ability to go from idea to implementation. There are three roadmaps to wealth. The sidewalk to poorness. Number two, slow line to mediocrity. And number three, fast line to wealth. The sidewalk to the poorness. The sidewalk is the road most traveled, and it is one of the most championed by society. The sidewalker is always something from being homeless, bankrupt, or back to living in their parents' basement. Sidewalkers are trapped in the life that is characterized by an urgent need of self-gratification. Sidewalker mindset. Debit perception. Credit allow to buy things now. What I want, I get. Number two, time perception. There is enough time and you could be dead in 2 weeks anyway. Number three, education perception. You finished the school when you graduated, and so there is no need to learn. Money perception. If you have money, fault it. Primary income source. Whatever pays the most, you will chase it. Primary wealth accelerator. Luck. Wealth perception. The one with the most toys win. Destination. I live for today and I am not bothered about tomorrow. Responsibility and control. Victim mentality. Life perception. Life is too short to plan ahead. The sidewalker is a money blind. It does not care about how much money you make. You cannot medicate poor money management with more money. Yes, you can look rich and still be riding the sidewalk dirty. Mediocrity, the slow line roadmap. The slow line involves sacrificing today for a better tomorrow. If you are slow line, you have been with a series that asks you to make trade-off. Such trade-off includes getting a job, working for retirement and saving 10% of the paycheck. The slow line is a convenient exit for sidewalk and soon involves in maturity and increased adult responsibility. The slow line offers the promise for riches at the age of retirement when it's not even possible to enjoy the fruits of labor. Slow line mindset and massive include debits perception. Debits is evil. Time perception. Time is abundant and can be gladly traded off more dollars. Education perception. Education is important as it helps earn more dollars. Money perception. Each and every dollar must be accounted for because money is scarce. Primary income source. A job is a primary source of income. Primary wealth accelerator. Compound rest. Wealth perception. Saving and investment and 401k. Destination. Comfortable retirement is a twiddle years. Responsibility and control. Works to provide for the family by relying on the employers, government and the state of economy. Life perception. Settle for less and give up on any dreams. The slow line roadmap relies on the following equations. Wealth is equal to primary income source job plus wealth accelerator market investment. When in the slow line you mindlessly trade your life for paycheck. The ultimate insanity is to sell your soul Monday through Friday for the paycheck of Saturday and Sunday. Yes, give me $5 today and it returns. You will give $2 back tomorrow. 5 or 2? No. How about 5 loaves of the bread today and in returns I will give you 2 back tomorrow? No again. Why? This is a smoking deal. The fast line road. The fast line is a business lifestyle is characterized by the control, unlimited leverage. It creates the optimal environment for rapid wealth creation and extraordinary lifestyle. The lifestyle mindset. Debit perception. Debit is useful as it allows to grow their system. Time perception. Time perception. Time is a far more important than money. Education perception. Learning is important for growth. Money perception. Money is everything. It reflects the value you create. Primary income source. Business, systems and investment. Primary wealth accelerator. Making something out of nothing. Wealth perception. Build business systems for cash flow and assets valuation. Destination. A lifetime of passive income. Life is what you make of it. Only you can choose how you react of circumstances. Life perception. Dreams are worth. No matter how the fast line is a business system while slow line is a job. In the slow line, you trade your time for your employer cash, while in the fast line, wealth is driven by business system. The fast line equation looks like this. Wealth is equal to net profit plus asset value. Asset value is equal to net profit into industry multiplier. The fast line roadmap is engineered for two purposes. It's engineered to create a passive income stream to excess of your expenses and lifestyle desires, and to make financial freedom a reality exclusive of age. The 5 fast line business sliding. Rental system. Real estate is an example of rental system that provides a recurring commission monthly. Number 2, computer and software systems. The internet and software programs have created more millionaires than any system is in history. Content systems. Content systems are systems of information. They include books and blogs and social networks. Distribution systems. These are systems that move products to the masses. Example is Amazon. Human resources system. Systems that are run by people. Sometimes they can work in the conjunction with other systems. The real law of wealth. The law of affection. The more lives you affect in an entity you control, in scale or in magnitude, the richer you become. The law of affection. Your business needs to make an impact of either scale or magnitude or both. Within our fast line wealth equation, scale and magnitude or impact to our net profit variable. Net profit units sold scale into unit profit magnitude. Your vehicle to wealth. To get to fast line, you need to well-oiled and ready vehicle. And the vehicle is you. You are the one responsible for making the journey. You cannot pay yourself first if you don't know own yourself. To own yourself, create a corporation that divorces you from the act of business. The recommended fast line business entity is either a crop or phi crop, C crop or S crop. Success is not made up of a single choice but hundreds of them. People don't choose to be poor. They make poor decisions that slowly assemble into a poorness puzzle. Retrace the footprints. It happens slowly, systematically and methodically under a steady diet of poor choices. The choice of perception leads us to particular action. If you believe certain ideas, you will act in accordance or accordance with the belief. The easiest way to start making better decision is to start changing your perception. For example, if you lose your job, you can either decide you see the event positively or negatively. Tips for making the better decision. Worst case analytics sequence analyzes potential sequence before making a decision. Number 2, weighted average decision matrix. Weight the various decisions and see which one is better. The 5 fast line commandments. Number 1, the commandment of need. Businesses satisfy the needs of people. Don't chase money. Rather look at how your business will help others, people. The commandment of entry. As the entry barriers to a business fall or lessen, the effectiveness of the road declines, while competition in that the field strengthens. To overcome weak entry, you need expectationalism. The commandment of control. Play in an organization that you control or you will be at the mercy of someone else. Number 4, the commandment of scale. Increase the scale and magnitude in your business. Number 5, command of your time. Your business should dispatch you from your time. Speed. Ideas or nothing without execution. The fast line is the information of creates a potential speed. You understand the fast line roadmap and its wealth equation. You have dumped the sidewalk and the slow line. Execution divides winner from losers. Execution is a process, ideas or events. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.